I'm actually the voice actor of Shark Puppet, like this. You. I have not the old one. Like, I have the old one, so it looks kind of terrifying. And I got the second one, is the alligator.